Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I will share admission information of Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University Sukkur. I will share admission policy, test syllabus, scholarships, facilities, and test preparation tips. I have already uploaded sample papers solved on Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University playlist on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. If you want to get good marks in the entry test, so you should watch these videos. Admissions are open in these programs: bachelor programs, undergraduate programs. Number 1, computer science, BS in computer science, BS in artificial intelligence, BS women entrepreneurship and leadership, BS environmental sciences, BS biotechnology, BS management and technology, BS chemistry, BS mathematics, BS physics, BS English linguistic, BS English literature, BS English TESOL. TESOL is related to teaching of English. MS in education, Doctor of Physical Therapy, and BEd honors as well as BA 2.5 years. In addition to this, BBA is also offered. Facilities available at Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University: Number 1, digital library with supporting e-library. Number 2, highly upgraded computer lab, air-conditioned equipped classes, hostel, dormitory, equipped labs, dispensary, transport and cafeteria. Hostel facility is available for those students who are living in other cities excluding Sukkur, Shikarpur, Khairpur and Panwakal. But their hostel is not as per the high class facilities. You have to pay 7,000 for your 2-time meals, breakfast and dinner. No lunch is served, and you have to pay 10,000 rent per month. It means that 17,000 per month will be your hostel expenses. And hostel is closed on Saturday and Sunday. If there are any other vacations or holidays, so the hostel will be closed. However, you have to pay the hostel and mess charges. These scholarships are also available for the students of Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University after getting admission. Benazir Income Support Program Scholarship for undergraduate, Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University Need Cum Merit Scholarship, Sindh Education Endowment Fund, Khairpur Merit Cum Scholarship, Pakistan Baitul Mal. Khairpur Merit Cum Scholarship is only for the students who belongs to Khairpur district. Baba Guru Nanak, this scholarship is only for non-Muslim. Diya Scholarship. Eligibility criteria: age limit, maximum age limit to apply in any undergraduate degree program is 35 years, where for graduate degree programs including MS education there is no age limit. Result awaiting students are also eligible to apply. Eligibility criteria for getting admission in BS English Language Literature TESOL. The minimum requirements for admission is 50% marks in intermediate, that can be in pre-engineering, pre-medical, arts or commerce, BS Computer Science. Only students having intermediate in pre-engineering, pre-medical with 50% marks are eligible to apply. BS Mathematics, only students who have intermediate in pre-engineering with 50% marks are eligible to apply. BS Physics, only students having intermediate in pre-engineering and pre-medical are eligible to apply. BS Management and Technology, students from any group with 50% marks in intermediate are eligible to apply. Doctor of Physical Therapy, only students having 60% marks in intermediate with in pre-medical group are eligible to apply. BS Biotechnology, only 50% marks in intermediate pre-medical group are required. Pre-medical group students, BS Chemistry, students having pre-medical or pre-engineering with 50% marks in intermediate are eligible to apply. BA 2.5 years, for admission in BA 2.5 years program, the candidate must have 14 years of education, BA, BSc, BCom or equivalent associate degree in arts or science, they are also eligible with minimum 50% of marks. B.Ed 4 years, B.Ed honors, 50% marks are required in intermediate. MS education. The minimum requirements for admission in MS education is 16 years of education with last degree in educational sciences. So students with 14 years of education with 2.5 years of B.Ed, they are also eligible. Students having B.Ed honors, BS education, they are also eligible for this program. Test pattern for undergraduate programs. The test will be based on difficulty level in sync with intermediate curricula as per the following distribution. Section 1 General Knowledge, Section 2 English, Section 3 General Mathematics, Section 4 Analytical or Quantitative Reasoning, Section 5 Physics or Basic Accounting. Any one subject, any one area from these areas. So there will be 100 questions and each section contains 20 questions. Physics section is compulsory for candidates applying for BS Mathematics and BS Physics. English Literature, English Grammar and Reading Comprehension are compulsory for candidates applying for BS English, TESOL. Biology section is compulsory for candidates applying for DPT and Biotechnology. Rest may choose any of the given choices in section 5. Each correct answer will carry 1 mark in the aptitude test. There will be no any negative marking. The passing percentage of aptitude test is 50%. It means that you have to take 50 marks out of 100. The merit list of the candidates in each discipline mentioned will be prepared according to the matrix. And this metric is percentage of marks in matriculation will be counted as 15%. If you have secured 60% marks in metric, so it will be multiplied by 0.15. It will be 9 marks. So you will automatically get 9 marks if you have 60% in metric. In addition, if you have intermediate with 70%, so your marks will be counted as 10% from intermediate. It will be multiplied 70 with 0.1. So 7 marks of 70% will be counted. Entry test, 60% of entry test. If you have secured 50% marks in entry test, it will be counted as 50 into 0.6. So your marks, 30 marks will be counted. Interview, there will be 15% marks of weightage in interview, total 100% marks. You have to secure at least 50% marks to qualify for the admission. Test pattern for B.Ed 2.5 years model. The test for B.Ed 2.5 years will be based on difficulty level in sync with graduation, 14 years. Section 1, it will be general knowledge, 20 questions. Section 2, English, 20 questions. Section 3, general mathematics, 20 questions. Section 4, analytical or quantitative reasoning, 20 questions. And Section 5, general education. It will be general questions related to education, teaching or methods. So you have to take these 5 sections in the entry test and you have secured at least 50% marks. Each section contains 20 questions. The passing percentage of the aptitude test is 50% marks. The merit list will be prepared according to this matrix. Your intermediate marks 10% will be counted. Your bachelor graduation marks will be counted as 15% and your entry test marks will be counted as 60%. Entry marks will be counted as 15%, 100% total. If you would like to count your CPN from us, just comment your metric intermediate percentage in the comment box. I will help you. Thank you. Important dates. Last date of application is 11th August. Entry test will be on 19th August. Test venue for the entry test is Begum, Nusrat, Bhutto, Women University, Sukkur. For more information and test preparation tips, subscribe Reti Education Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.